Good news on vaccines providing hope in the coronavirus pandemic as the country faces a surge in new cases ahead of the Thanksgiving weekend. Now we're learning more about the potential side effects of these vaccines. That's raising some questions about whether people will want to get them. News Channel 3's Jake INGRASSIA live tonight at home with more from a Valley doctor on this issue. Jake.
John, good evening. And those vaccines are going to have to be administered in 2 doses. And doctors say despite potentially unpleasant side effects, it's critical that people partake.
I think people need to prepare for a little more tincture of illness than they might expect for the first dose, at least.
Doctors warning of possible side effects in the coronavirus vaccines.
Shaking chills and maybe a fever for about 12 hours, and then it goes away. And you might end up with a little goose egg over the area where the injection was.
Dr. Eutham Contaxis at Eisenhower Health says that could deter people from the necessary second dose.
There's no guarantee that the second dose is going to be as bad or even you're going to have symptoms, but in certain people they do, and so that's where the fear comes. And by not doing the second dose, you basically not become immune, and it's a problem.
I understand that there are downsides to taking the vaccine, but I would definitely take it.
Arthur Bartholomew says to him the symptoms and long-term effects of catching coronavirus would be worse than short-lived side effects of a vaccine.
I'm up for it. There's no reason to not take the vaccine if you ask me. The alternative is way worse.
Contaxis says modern medicine and scientific advancements make a vaccine this quickly possible, and checks are in place to guarantee it's safe.
The FDA will put the brakes on it if there's any concern that this is going to be permanently harmful.
And a vaccine could be issued emergency FDA approval as soon as mid-December. Reporting live tonight, Jake INGRASSIA, News Channel 3.